good evening, my friends. Glad you could join us for the first look at the new 1959 Plymouth. Now, while our paraders get rested up, let's call on two of our talented youngsters, Janet Lennon, and give Brian Siebman some very good advice.
Come in. What's your problem?
I got troubles. What am I gonna do?
That's simple. Let the worry bird worry for you. Let the worry bird fuss and stew. He's a wonderful pet, and when you get the jitters, he twitters. Let the worry bird worry his head. Have the time of your life instead. What's a tumble or two as long as you can keep well, sleep well? Every cloud is silver lined. Bear that in mind. When old man trouble gets tough and the going gets rough, let the worry bird worry for you. It's remarkable what he'll do. He'll consider it fun to be your understudy. So, buddy, why should you be blue? Let the worry bird sing the blues for you.
Gee, Janet, I feel better already.
Kiss your cares goodbye and your troubles will fly.